Today, I'm going to show you how to save and name a filter view here in Google Sheets. So this is a simple and quick video on how you can do that. First, we have our data right here. If I were to create a filter view, what I'm going to do is to go to data here in the menu bar and select create filter view right here. If I click on it, there we have it. We have that top that says temporary filter 1, which is the name of this filter view at the moment, and we have the range selected. We also have filters already applied in each of these columns that you can definitely change. I'm going to change the range right here to E, not including the F column. There we go. Now I can create a filter view that I can always go back to without affecting the original data. So if I go to grade right here, click on the filter on the right side of that column. There we have it. I'm going to filter this in the condition of the grades that are equal to or greater than 90. So I'm going to select that greater than or equal to, let's put in 90 right there. Scroll all the way down and select OK. And there we have it. We've successfully filtered our data to create this filter view where we can only see the students that have the grades that are equal to or greater than 90. Now, to save this, you already see that tab here that says Save View. If we click on it, it will allow us to rename this filter view. So I'm going to put in grade greater than equal to 90. There you have it. Now you can name it anything you want related to what type of view it is. Click on Save. And we've successfully saved that filter view on our spreadsheet. If I close this off, there we have our original data, not affected at all. We have everything right here. But if we want to go back to that filter view, all we have to do would be again, go back to data. This time, we're going to select change view. And one of our filter views would be the one that we just created. If I click on it, here we have it. Again, we have the name here and the range and the filtered data. And there you have it. Let's try that again. Let's create another filter view. Go back to data, select create filter view. Here we have it. So this time I want to filter this based on the date submitted. I want to see all the projects that have been submitted after this date. So I'm going to go again to that filter. Click on that, go to filter by condition, select date is after. There we go. And I'm going to select an exact date or enter an exact date. That's going to be August 15, 2025. Scroll down and click OK. And now we see only the data based on that filter. If we go ahead and save it right here by clicking on Save View, then renaming this filter view. There we have the name of our filter view. Click on Save. If I exit this view, again, we are on the original data, which is not affected. But if we go back to those filter views, just go to Data, select Change View, and now we have two filter views that we can select and view anytime. So if I click on that, there we have our project after August 15 and another view, which are grades that are equal or greater than 90. And here we have it. So that's how you can save and name your filter views right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.